Hello, everyone. Today's science lesson is one of my favorite topics because it is so cute. We get to be learning about the offspring, the young, and even the life cycle of our animals. Now, with this concept, you need to consider a number of things, and I have put together some helpful tips for how to make this work the best. I'm sure that you are looking forward to reading for information about your animals young. As if I am interested and excited and eager to find out and watch your information as you tell it. Today you're going to be reading for information about the offspring, which means young of your animal. And some of you, it would be a better fit to be learning the life cycle of your animal. Let me just explain some keywords that would be helpful for you in your research today. Some keywords for offspring, young, information research will be, you need to look for babies. Look for the word babies. Look for keyword young, or look for the specific name of babies for your animal. For example, wolves would be pups or puppies. Here is a chart of some of the names for babies for the adults that we know. So some of them might be surprising to you, and some of these might be helpful in your research, but your animal might not be on this chart. So you will just have to do a search for that with your grown-ups. All right, now let's get into mammals a little bit. The mammals, animal group called mammals have some specific things that you need to pay attention to when you're researching. We say that mammals give birth to live babies. That is because their babies are not born inside an egg. Mammal young are mini versions of their adults in many cases, or they are born without fur. Some mammals are born with their eyes closed and their ears closed too. We say they are born deaf and blind when that is the case. All right, so maybe you are doing your research about amphibians, fish, or an insect. All of these animal groups are born in eggs. They follow a life cycle and have names for each stage of their growth and development. Amphibians were given their name, that funny amphibian name, because they spend part of their life cycle in water and part of their life cycle on land. Now, birds and reptiles are also born in eggs. Once the baby hatches, it is a mini version of the adult in many cases. Baby bird feathers develop as they age and grow and are often born with very little feathers or the downy, furry, fuzzy, cute feathers. Baby reptiles shed their skin as they age and grow. So those are some important information tips for you to consider as you are researching your animals today. So spend today doing your research. Tomorrow you will be spending your time to put together your information in a good copy and editing. So I hope that you have a lot of fun as you are learning about your animals.